In this world, mobility is highly valued. Of course, it supports global economy. And also from personal point of view, actually it helps us to develop professionally, to make global networks, and also to experience new cultures and new environments. But unfortunately, from an environmental point of view, so far mobility is not a very good thing. The main reason is because 95% of the mobility is based on fossil fuels, and there are several impacts on the environment, starting with climate change. But it's not just climate change, it's not just emissions, it's also about landscape problems for the mobility infrastructure. There are problems with water, not to mention the air pollution, which shortens our life. So there are benefits and there are shortcomings, but if we look from the mental point of view, maybe the most important at this time is climate change, because it is accelerating, and in some countries mobility contributes about a quarter of all emissions. If you look at our personal energy balance, it turns out that we need energy for mobility, for food, for housing, for our shopping. But in this calculation, we can see that average European citizen actually spends about 2/3, 66% of all energy just for mobility. And many times it is not justified. So we will have to find solutions very soon. Of course, one solution is to travel less. The other solution is to travel more efficiently, but this will not happen overnight. So I guess we need some real innovation in this field. We are lacking some institutions who would have a very complex view on the impacts of mobility. Also, in the field of economics, sooner or later we will have to charge mobility its real price, also to add external costs which are not in the price of any ticket for planes or for trains even. Of course, technology will have to play a bigger role. So far, our cars, our means of transportation are not getting as efficient as they should. But also, there's a lot to be done on the personal level, on the level of our lifestyle, how we value, how we see things, what we think is important. And I think in this field we need also anthropologists, psychologists, and social science to do its work. Yes, it is complex, but a world without mobility probably we cannot imagine.